I request Shri K.J. Kamath to address the gathering, and we thank His Excellency.
Good morning to all. This National Mando Festival, visioned by our Mr. Prasad, is to highlight how a instrument which is migrated to our country can still get adopted to our unique system of music. All the instruments what we have found in our country much before this migration of any foreign instruments were available in abundance, which were forming part of the whole music system. And in fact, one of the string instruments, Veena, is seen right from our Vedic period. From time immemorial it has come. These are the mandolin have migrated from other European countries, have adopted to such an extent that it is imbibed into our very concept of music, both in Hindustani style as well as to the Carnatic style, largely because of the dedication made by stalwarts like Mr. Srinivas, U. Srinivas, to whom we have dedicated this function in memory, and also very legendary artists who have gathered and assembled here from all over the country. So this indicates how the system of our Indian culture is receptive to invite a foreign system or which is outside our custom, and also to get it adopted and nurture it in our country. In fact, the mandolin what we have nurtured here in this country after it is get migrated has got its own recognition worldwide. Much equivalent, much higher or equivalent to the instrument where it got originated. It's largely because of our system itself is like that. So this mandolin festival is very unique in its nature, and it has consolidated various dignitaries, artists, international artists come together and perform. The events, large events have been netted so as to provide each one the unique opportunity to present their capabilities here and their sadhanas to the citizens of this Bangalore. And I welcome all dignitaries who have come here and who are going to come in the next hours. I wish them my hearty welcome. All the best.